Selling this legend of a brand, and we are happy to be part of this amazing road show. If you have not met the Doves team before, we are coming to your area soon. This goes to show that we still remain the #1 leading funeral service provider in the country, and we are over a century of care. Doves for the ones we love.